Welcome back to CentLinux. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step to install and configure MX Linux in VirtualBox so you can safely test, tweak, and learn without touching your main system. I'll walk through the optimal VirtualBox settings, partitioning and installation tips, and how to install VirtualBox guest editions, all from hands-on testing and proven sysadmin best practices. Let's get MX Linux up and running smoothly in your VM.
To download MX Linux, open your browser and search for MX Linux, or go directly to mxlinux.org. On the website, choose the edition you prefer, XFCE, KDE, or Fluxbox. Pick the 64-bit ISO, unless you have an older machine, and click the download link, or use a nearby torrent for faster transfer. Save the ISO to a folder you'll remember. We'll use it shortly when creating the VirtualBox VM.
Creating a virtual machine for MX Linux is straightforward. Although MX Linux runs well on minimal hardware, for snappier performance in VirtualBox, we'll give the VM a bit more muscle. Set RAM to 4 GB, assign 2 CPU cores, and create a virtual disk 20 to 30 GB with dynamically allocated storage. Choose the VM type as Linux and the version matching Debian 64-bit. Attach the MX Linux ISO as the optical drive, then review settings. Enable VTX/AMD V if available, and set a bridged or NAT network as you prefer. With those specs, your VM will feel responsive during install and everyday use. Start the VM and boot the live MX Linux ISO. Once the live desktop loads, double-click the installer icon, or follow the on-screen installation dialog. The installer will guide you through language, keyboard, partitioning, and user setup. Take your time on partition choices. Accept the defaults for a simple install, or pick manual partitioning if you need custom layouts. Then proceed to install and reboot into your new MX Linux system.
After rebooting, select your MX Linux VM and log in using the username and password you created during installation. The first login may prompt initial setup dialogues or welcome tips. Read these for useful shortcuts and default settings.
Open a terminal and run a few quick commands to verify your installation. Start with cat/etc/os-release to confirm the MX Linux release and build. Then uname-r to check the running kernel version, and host name to display the VM's host name. These basic checks confirm the system identity and kernel state before you begin further configuration or benchmarking.
Shut down the VM. Then in VirtualBox, select Devices, insert Guest Editions CD image. Restart the VM, mount the disk if needed, and run the installer. Path may vary with sudo/sh/media/cd-rom/vbox-linux-editions.run. After the installer completes, reboot the VM to enable shared clipboard, folder sharing, and improved graphics and drivers.
Thanks for watching. If this MX Linux VirtualBox walkthrough helped, hit like and subscribe to CentLinux for more Linux and DevOps tutorials. Leave a comment with your questions, feedback, or requests for future videos. I read every comment and reply. If you tried the steps, tell me what worked or where you got stuck. I'll follow up with solutions and tips.